Hi, this is Kathleen, one of the educators at Luke's Sewing Center in Tri-County. I'm going to be teaching an edge-to-edge quilting class on Thursday, May 11th, right here in our Tri-County store. There are still seats available in the class. We will be using the Kimberbell Clear Blue Tiles to do this class. One of the reasons that I would love for everybody to learn how to do this, it's super easy, whether it's a small project or a larger quilt where you might want to use multiple different quilting styles. This class will be, it's $29.95 plus tax, and you'll receive a supply list via email. But it's going to be a fun class, and it'll go quickly. And I know that you're going to love being able to do your own quilting in your embroidery hoop when you get done. Look forward to seeing you. Give us a call to get signed up.